Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and if you are looking for Patchstack Pro plugin for your WordPress website, so in this video I will guide you how you can purchase it from Bloggingify store and how we can deliver it to on your WordPress website. So let's get started. So I will provide you the direct product link in the description box. So just check the description link and you will direct step up product page. Okay, here's the few details about this product. So let me explain you. Use for one domain, update validity yearly auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually we will install, that means you have to share your website temporary access with us and we will install this plugin and all plugin with our original license key so that you will receive a future update. Okay, license type original license key we have, so you will receive automatic updates. Okay, simple. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, last name and other information, and select your payment method and confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation, you will direct this type of thank you page, and here you can see a download button. So just click on it and you will receive our premium contact support there. So just send your website temporary access with us and we will install your plugin in a few minutes with our original license key. So that's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So if you have any doubt, you can do a comment in comment section, and once again thank you so much for watching this video.